Hey everybody, it's Jen from St. Paul's, and I wanted to show you how you can make a donation to St. Paul's online using the giving page for the Episcopal Diocese of Olympia. So you're going to go to this web address right here, https://resources.ecw.org/give. This is the regular giving page for the Episcopal Diocese of Olympia, but they put something together for right now so that churches can get online giving through them. So what you're going to do is go here, go to donation amounts, and if the amount you want to give is not one of the 9 options up here, don't worry about it. Just click the little bubble for other amount. Probably would be good if I used my mouse and not my touchpad. And put in the amount that you want to give. Let's say we're giving $10. And then for gift preference, if you want to make this a one-time thing, you can, or you can do it monthly. And so you just select whichever one you want to do. Well, let's just say we're doing a one-time gift. And this is where you need to pay attention. There are a bunch of drop-downs here. You need to select Give to a Church. When you do that, if you scroll down, the designated parish name and designated parish city boxes come up. It's important that you do this correctly because otherwise they can't figure out where to give the money. So if you're from St. Paul's Episcopal Church, you're going to put St. Paul's Episcopal Church. If you're from Resurrección, you need to use the full name of the church, La Iglesia Episcopal de la Resurrección. I apologize if I misspelled that, and I apologize that my Spanish accent is horrible. You need to go to designated parish city, which is Mount Vernon, and you can choose the gift type. If you're making your weekly tithe, just leave it at none. If you're making it in honor of someone, you can do that, and they'll give you stuff for honoree. In memory, memorial. But for giving your weekly gift, just put it on none. And then your donor information. So I would put in Jen McCabe. I'd put in my address, which is not what I'm typing right now. United States, I'm going to do Washington. And then you're going to go down to your email. So jen@email.com. And you'll see your billing information, your donation amount. And you put in your credit card number. And obviously, this is not my credit card number. I'm basically making one up as I go along because I don't want to give out my real one. You put in your expiration date, and then you put in the security code on the back of your credit card. Obviously, that's not mine. For billing name and address, you need to put the billing name that's on your credit card or debit card. And if your billing address is the same as the donor information, just put it there. And then hit submit. If my real credit card information was in here, they would actually, let me submit this. They're going to yell at me right now because my credit card number is invalid. But that's how you make the gift. So let's review. Go here. If your donation amount is not one of these 9, don't worry about it. Just click the other amount box, put in the amount you want to give. Make your gift preference a one-time gift or monthly. And again, this is important. You need to select Give to a Church. When you do that, the designated parish name and designated parish city boxes pop up. You're going to put La Iglesia Episcopal de la Resurrección if you're a member of Resurrección, or if you're a member of St. Paul's, you put that in. And make sure you put Mount Vernon. This is very important because there is more than one St. Paul's parish in the Diocese of Olympia. and then do your gift type. If you're giving in honor of someone, in memory of someone, or for your regular parish tithe, click none. Put your donor information in, your email, give them your credit card number. This is important. And then put your billing information in and click submit. They might get a little cranky about your zip code. Don't ask me why they do this, they just do. And so if it doesn't let you submit the first time, go scroll up and see what they're highlighting, and it will tell you. So that's all. That's how you do it. And if you have questions, just leave me a comment on either Facebook or the church website. Blessings to y'all, and stay safe.